Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to meet our playful Eclectus parrot named Rio. Now Rio here is a male Eclectus parrot. Now let's see what he will do. Alright, now you skipped the first one and he made it to the second hoop. Now Eclectus parrot, their favorite food in the wild, they mainly eat fruits, nuts, and seeds. Can we do it again? One more time, Rio. Alright, now again, he skipped the first one and he made it to the second hoop. Their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 30 to 45 years. One more time, buddy. Now, did you know that Eclectus parrot, they are dimorphic birds, meaning you can identify if it's a male or a female just by looking at their colors. Okay, so he played the first hoop and he made it to the second hoop. So a round of applause to our Eclectus parrot named Rio. Thank you so much to our adult volunteers. You can now take your seat. Everyone, I want you to meet Rudy and Lani. Now, can you say hi? Now, yellow-crowned Amazon parrots are one of the most commonly kept Amazon species due to its excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. These types of birds are great at mimicking everyday sounds like a rooster, a cat, a dog, a telephone ringing, or even a whistle.
Alright, now let's try a rooster first. Cockcrow.
Okay, how about cat?
Now, for the next one, it is Rudy's favorite. Now, Rudy, can you bark? Now, for the next one is a telephone ringing. Now, last one is a whistle. Good job, buddies. Now, Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Donna?
Yes, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Okay, now let's do the warm-up. Now they are ready for their first song. Whoa, whoa. I love you more than I can. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I love you more than I can. Alright, now happy birthday. Now buddies, we have some celebrants here. What will you do next? One more time. Last one, buddy. Now see how talented parrots are? They can mimic sounds so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans use their voices. So a round of applause to our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy. So Tugitugans, they are one of the largest and the best known toucan species in the world. Now as you can see, it has a white throat and a black body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. Now when toucans travel, they don't fly in long distances like other birds. Instead, they hop between branches and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. Now there are a total of 40 toucan species in the world. And one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. So Tugitugan, they have a large and beautiful bill that looks heavy, but in reality it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. So a round of applause to our most handsome Tugitugan name, Mr. Horn. Nice catch, Hunter. Now this bird can grow up to 65 to 70 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So a round of applause to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Grass owl, they are a nocturnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the nighttime. Now, these types of birds of prey can be found here in Asia, Pacific region, and Australia. Their lifespan in the wild, they can only live up to 9 to 10 years, but in here they can live much longer. They can live up to 20 to 25 years. Sir, round of applause to our eastern grouse owl named Bella. As we welcome the night creature of the Philippines, our Philippine eagle owl named Boo. Now, Philippine eagle owl, they are the largest owl species that can be seen here in the Philippines. Now, for our next birds of prey, they're excellent at catching their food from other birds, even in mid-air. Put your hands together towards snatching prey in flight, our Brahminic kite named Shadow. Again, I need everyone's cooperation, so please sit down and do not try to reach out or touch our birds. It is for your own safety. But wait, there's more. Here comes the brother of Shadow, Argus. Now, for our next prominent kite, please let me welcome Cloud.
Whoa.
So, Brahminic kite, they have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. Now, they practice kleptoparasitism, or they love to snatch their food from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching prey in flight. Again, they love to snatch their foods from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching prey in flight. One more time, buddy. Okay, so thank you so much, sir. You can now take your seat. Let's proceed to the largest birds of prey we have here in Cebu Safari. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for our grand finale, keep your hands up high to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver. The white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the coast. The scientific name for this bird is Heliaetus leucocastor. But wait, there's more. Here comes the partner of Silver, Marina.
Oh.
Again, the scientific name for this bird is Heliaetus leucocastor. And freedom. So, round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver and Marina. Now, here at Cebu Safari, we're not just creating about fun and unforgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safer habitats, and educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now, let me introduce you the people behind this successful show. To make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity.